Hello students, welcome to our engineering graphics video tutorial classes, unit number 5, conversion of views. We were discussing about the problems, conversion of ISO to ortho, 3D to 2D. Already we have discussed 4 problems. Now coming to the next, fifth one. So the fifth one, draw the front view, top view and side view of the component given. This is the component which is given in the 3-dimensional, right? We have semicircular webs on a flat web which is having somewhat semicircular shape. See, now this we are supposed to draw its front view and top view. First, analyzing the arrow mark here, this arrow mark indicates we have to look from front side, this side. So this part will be the front view, from here it will be the top view. See which side view is preferably here, because it's easy to draw from this side. That's nothing but right side view which is to be drawn on the left side of the front view. So these are the three views. Analysis, you all know that front view will be consisting of length and height. Top view will be consisting of your breadth and length. Side view will consisting of your breadth and height. See, first of all, coming to its front view. Draw XY line. I have clearly drawn the front view with like shaded of the front view. When you are looking from this side, this corner up to this length of 125, even though we have a arc like semicircular part, in that half arc it will look like a rectangle. Now here to a height of 40, semicircle and then legs. See this, here we have started 125 total length, height of 15 here. Now this length, what will be this length? Now how to draw this length? In the sense, we have to first complete this semicircle. A height of 40 should be drawn. Now here from height of 40, you observe this is semicircular which is to be drawn of diameter 50. Here it's clearly shown. Now here that means diameter 50 is nothing but radius 25. Now from here, this particular point, try to draw a horizontal line. Now plot the center point of 25, draw this semicircle up to here. When you draw this semicircle, now inside we are having a circular hole, through hole. This circular hole also be drawn. Now same center, try to draw the center lines. Now what is this? Two holes of diameter 20, that means radius 10. Try to finish it, because even though two holes are there, when we are viewing from this side, only one will be visible. Completed one. Now think here we have stopped up to this point. Now 15 also you know. Now try to draw two lines for intersection. Just try to draw a left side line from here to here and downward line, so that they will meet at intersection point. See, this is about your front view. Now when you are looking from front view, see this is the place where we are having a hole inside the horizontal web. Now that inside the horizontal web, that has to be shown in the form of dotted lines at the extreme positions. Now how to plot that extreme positions with respect to dimensions means, you see this. Now from this extreme to here, for this center it is 25. Now this diameter, what you call our length, it is 15. Now 25. Now if you try to measure this, it will be only radius, that is half, 15 half, 17, what you call 7.5. 25 towards this side we are having such 7.5, that is nothing but totally it will be 17.5. Calculate that and try to show. Now this dotted is nothing but this end positions, this one and this one, not this one and this one. Those are center lines, right? From here semicircle is to be drawn, but we have to, in the front view, we have to show these points at these points. Now whereas here, if you want one more thing, total, see this, from here 25, 25, 25, this is of total diameter 15, means it will be 7.5 half radius. Now 25 plus 25, 50 plus 75, 57.5. From here at a distance of 57.5, you can draw this. It all depends upon your analysis and calculation. That is about your front view. Next, top view. See, I have removed that front view. Previously all the things from the front view, you are supposed to analyze the top view and draw in the same line. Here also assume that you are having, if you have drawn, you will be getting clear idea. When your top view, same rectangular box, if you want, try to draw rectangular box. If not, directly the answer like this, rectangular web. Inside this rectangular webs of 50 mm length, you know, inside you have 20 holes. hidden lines. Now this is the thing which you have to draw completely and clearly. Now if you want to remove the shade and understood how these dimensions are here, 15 what you call width, 25 length, see 15, 25, that you are supposed to analysis from the main figure. So, and how to draw this semicircle is nothing but, see this semicircle of what, see you semicircle is simple, 15 diameter, 15 radius 7.5 with this center, right? Now where this center it will be, from this figure you can see from rear end to 25. So like this you are supposed to draw that, right? Try to construct a box first here. From that middle point try to plot 25. From that 25 with the help of radius 7.5 draw semicircle, and from that point draw 25 length at top and bottom. Again you plot center here and draw 7.5. See this also I could have drawn on the whiteboard, but thing is that you are supposed to apply it. So by this you can analyze and do the calculation of the dimensions. Now how about this? This is also a semicircle. How to draw that? See, this is the place where you can see 15, 20, 15. That is nothing but 30, 20, 50. 50 from where up to where you are supposed to see, that is up to 25 here. Same. This 25 is same center line for this small semicircle and big semicircle. So here at a distance of 25 keep the center same. Now from here you are supposed to draw a semicircle of what you call 50 diameter. This 50 diameter. See he is given 25 as center, right? That is about your top view. Now coming to this next side view. Side view, when you are looking from right side view, see the side view is very simple. You can trace out from this side and this side, and you can draw lines. I can draw what you call, try to get intersected the projectors from front view towards the left, and from the top view 45 degrees line or semi what you call quarter circle line to the side view part, and you will get intersection here. I explained you clearly previously, if there is no compulsion of drawing projectors, but it's a practicable thing at the initial, but later if you are familiar you can directly draw the answer like this. That will be not at all a problem. Now if you do the side view, this semicircle will look like a rectangle. This vertical semicircular web will look like a rectangle. This vertical semicircular web will also look like a rectangle when you are viewing from the right side. So this is simple. This rectangle of how much? 15 height, then width 50 it is. Now from here height, this is 40, no this is 50. 50 diameter and radius it will be 25. 40 plus 25, 65. From here to here it will be 65, right? You just have to close, that's all. Nothing can be done beyond that, right? So I'm sorry, see here there won't be any line here. Just try to erase this is through. Oops. So finally front view, top view and side view. See here in this side view, dimensions try to give wherever you are possible, right? Whatever the dimensions you are seeing in the main answer, try to give them in the front view, top view and side view. Already you practiced 4, this is the 5th one. Make so simple as simple so that you can get the final answer. Hope you all understand. We'll do, see there is nothing more explanation can I give here, because it's all question is there, answer is there. Just you have to analyze the things in the front view, top view, side view. Draw mainly hidden lines, thick lines, show the dimensions, right? We'll continue one more problem in the next video tutorial. Thank you.